Welcome to this new guide, where I will show you how to enable random wallpapers inside the Aloha Browser app on your phone. This quick tutorial will help you customize your browsing experience by changing the background automatically. First, open the Aloha Browser app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. After that, tap on Appearance to open its options. After that, choose the option named Start Page to access more layout controls. Now, turn on the Random Wallpaper option to activate automatic wallpaper changes. Then, choose your preferred wallpaper from the available list that Aloha Browser provides inside the menu. After selecting the style you want, tap on Change Picture to set the rotation timing for your background. You can choose between several intervals, such as 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even 1 day, depending on how often you want your wallpaper to change. Finally, once everything is set, return to the browser homepage and enjoy the new dynamic look each time your wallpaper refreshes. Thanks for watching.